Invisible threat. Protect your pet from parasite. According to the World Health Organization, the main carrier of the parasite are domestic animals. More than 70% of disease of different severity come from parasites living in the human bodies. Parasites infection provoke the development of gastric ulcer, cirrhosis, myocardial infarction, kidney failure, and even cancer. Every year, the number of deaths due to parasitic infection increase. Not only is it impossible to fight parasites, but it is necessary, especially since now they are fed this way. Do you often allow pets to sleep in their beds? Do you like your beloved dog to lick your face in the morning? Do you like falls asleep with your kitchen squeaky purring under your arm? If so, then you are a great danger, without even knowing about it. Where the infection comes from. Our pet carries the egg of tapeworm, protozoan, and many other harmful organisms. Unfortunately, it's impossible to trace the time when the infection occurs. This can happen when contacting another animal or eating infected food or water. The infection can get to the animal through excrement, severe animal harm, depending on the type of parasite. Everyone loves cats, but they carry Toxoplasma, a dangerous microorganism. Toxoplasmosis can cause the schizophrenia. Toxoplasmosis is particularly dangerous for pregnant women, since this disease can cause the death of unborn child. A person becomes infected after close contact with an animal. Children are infected more often than adults. They often kick animals, allow them to lick them, and do not always wash their hands. To guard your family from dangerous disease, it's very important to know which methods will protect you from parasitic infection. Which remedy to choose? Fighting parasites is very difficult as they multiply rapidly. The only way to avoid the invasion is to destroy all parasites at the same time in order not to harm the health of the pets. It is important to choose the effective but safe remedy. We recommend Getridox capsule. Getridox is a universal remedy designed to combat human and animal parasites. The drugs were developed using the latest technology in the pharmacology. It's very popular in the US. It's the best feature of this remedy. 100% natural composition. Minimal risk of side effects and allergic reaction. On around use. Easiness of usage. The remedy is designed for the complex purification of the human body and pets. Getridox had a complex effect on the body, oppressing the reproductive function of humans. It prevents growth of their population. It creates an environment in the host organism that is unfavorable for parasites, and as a result, most of them die. Destroyed parasites are removed from the body by natural way. There is a restoration of damaged tissues, the removal of toxins from the body. Getridox destroys any parasite affecting both adults and harming eggs. Thus, you get protection against reinfection and save the health of your family and pets. You can order Getridox on the official website of the manufacturer. If you like the video, you subscribe my channel. You can list the official website under the video. Thanks for listening. See you next video. Goodbye.